women. Justice through access to clean.
Reproductive justice is economic justice. Reproductive justice is racial justice. So in this moment, regardless of how this court rules, it is our duty as policymakers to stand in the gap, to legislate on the side of the people. Congress can and must step up.
They call it a watershed. Why? Because the country is divided? Because feelings run high.
Government is damning people into hell. That innocent, unborn baby who is defenseless and trustworthy
or equitable or compassionate and cannot be trusted.
People are going to face criminalization for their pregnancy. And actually, let me correct myself, it's not going to face, are already facing criminalization.
You stand up like that.
I haven't been to D.C. since March 2020.
We want to make sure.
You know, I fight for the rights of, you know, my friends, my children, my everyone, just to keep abortion legal and safe and accessible. I had an abortion. My mother had an abortion. I just think it's essential health care.
You need to turn to God. Let me tell you, young people, get you a godly woman that will close her legs and obey the Bible.
We are the majority in this country. The majority of people in this country support access to abortion and don't want to see Roe fall, don't want to see more and more restrictions on abortion access, and in fact want to see more access.